Hey guys, few months ago, 9 months ago and 3 months ago, I did an unboxing and now it's time to review how the plants are going on the windowsill. So coming up. Hi, if you are new to this channel, my name is Remy and I've been growing carnivorous plants since I'm 16. I've been focusing mainly on Windowsill Nepenthes since I moved to Canada. I will cut this video in two parts. The first part will be the plants that came 9 months ago in the middle of summer and they had the time to really get used to the new environment. And the second part will be the plants that came for the Black Friday, so 3 months ago. It's been cold, it's winter here, so it's not the easiest for the plants to just get used to this new environment. So now let's start by the plants that came 9 months ago. We had two plants from Little Green Monster and I believe two plants from Brad Greenhouse. Okay, we'll start by truncata. So 9 months ago it was healthy and small. So how it evolved now? See how big this baby is now. Like the size of the pitcher first, the size of the leaves, even the thickness of the tendril. That's a strong plant, fast growing, and everything is really healthy. Look at the size of the first real pitcher. Okay, ventricosa now. So 9 months ago, 5 leaves, small but healthy. And now look at that. I won't try to count the number of leaves, but clearly that's a lot. And the pitcher, every leaves gave me a pitcher. So that's definitely a plant I recommend for beginner. That's really a plant that will show you love. Look at this beautiful pitcher. Okay, lowii from Brad's now. So 9 months ago, it was really healthy and green. Look at the color of the leaves. I put it on full sun and immediately it gets sunburned. So that's really a species that won't like a lot of sun. The new leaves is greener now because it's really in the most shadowy place, but still it has been sunburned. Maxima now. So again, really healthy one. It's single pitcher, but it was pale green, and it's also a sensitive one. Less burn than the lowii previously, but still you see on the leaves it had some issue with the sun. So now it's in the shadow spot, and that's healthy. And the pitcher is just great. Before showing you the plants that came 3 months ago, I would like to ask you a favor. Could you please like this video and consider subscribing, hitting the little bell? That's the best way for you to see more and more videos like that, and that encourages me a lot to do more video for you. So now let's go to the second part, the part where it's 3 months old plants. So the plants that came in the middle of winter, but keep in mind here in Canada and especially in Manitoba, it gets really cold, but it's really sunny. So you will see how the plants react to that. Spathulata spectabilis. So 9 months ago, it already showed a little bit of too much light. I thought it was because it was too bright where it was living, but putting it on my windowsill, it's just the same. The leaves are really sensitive to light, so a little bit of sunburn here, this reddish color on the leaves, and the picture is just great. So I cross finger. Spectabilis veitchii. So this one didn't get any sunburn. It's still at the exact same place as before. So 9 months ago and now. So only growing new pitchers. No pitcher yet. No pitcher opened. Only tendril and embryo of pitcher. So I can't wait to see how it goes. sibuyanensis and hamata. So 9 months ago, it was really green, and Brad contacted me and told me it's not sunny at all. So I put it directly on a shadow spot, and it's really like it. No sunburn on this one. A brand new picture, way bigger than the previous one. So I can't wait to show you guys how it will be when it will be fully open. Veitchii platychila. So 3 months ago, it was not growing, and it's still the same. It didn't grow during winter for me. The leaves continue to grow slowly, and it's starting only now to produce a kind of an embryo of picture, but still no rush. It's really a slow grower for me during winter. Maybe during summer it will fast up. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will keep you updated on how the plants react. Keep in mind that I had to switch at least 3 times the plants from place to place on the windowsill to find what I believe the best spot for them. Some of the plants I received were really sensitive to sun. And again, it's winter, it's minus 20 outside, but that's really, really sunny, as you see. So almost too much sun. So I find a good spot here. They will have the sun on the morning, but from the afternoon, they will be in the shadow, and they are just under the humidifier. So that's humid and shadowy. So I hope they will, the new leaves will less be reddish and start going back to a bright green. So until next time, happy growing. And they are just under the humidifier. And they are just under the humidifier. And they are just and they are just under the humidifier.